lovelies, so here we have the very first ever Love Lillbits website, and I'm so excited to be sharing this with the world. It has taken me, oh my goodness, at least 6 weeks to create it because I am very slow behind the scenes at setting things up, but hey ho. So if you want to go and have a look, you can actually get there via Instagram for Lillbits Creations using my bio link, or you can just type lovelillbits.com into the search engine and it will take you there. So if you are an EU customer, unfortunately you'll have to use my Etsy shop because I don't have an IOSS number, or I wasn't comfortable with the whole customs ordeal through my own website. So you can still purchase lovely things, you'll just have to go via the Etsy store. So browsing around the store, you can actually categorize and sort things if you wish on each page, from price lowest to highest, or by product if you like. But I've also got a useful search drop down menu at the top, and this is my minis page. So the mini stickers are 3.2 by 3.2 inches in size, and this is one of my latest ones, Minis Bobber Mouse. A couple of people have already purchased this one, so thank you so much. I've also, by the way, had some orders on my store since it launched at 6 p.m. on Friday. Now this weekend I am part of the EharveyArts online markets, so there are so many amazing people who are also taking part. So what I'll do is I'll put a link to that in the description section down below. And then you've got die cut stickers. I tried to group them so you can have sticker packs, individual stickers, or A6 sticker sheets. So this is a super cute Valentine themed sticker sheet. They're kiss cut. I make them myself in my studio just for you, so I hope you like those. Going back to the die cuts, this is a brand new design, and this is a little tulip hugs mouse. And it comes with like a collectible backing card as well, which also adds to the protection to my enamel pin page. I had so much fun taking photographs of these, but I hope they're clear enough. Apologies if the screen doesn't seem as clear as it should do for you if you go and visit the store. This is my Sakura Whale Deluxe pin. It's really gorgeous in person, and it's quite a large pin, which is why it's a deluxe pin, a little bit more than the other pins. I've also got this particular one. You can have little penguin, or you can have Timmy the turtle, and you have an option of buying the single pin or the set if you want to reduce price. Other sections, stationery goodies. So I have notepads, memo pads. This is a popular one, the planner memo pad. And I've got a tracker section. I actually use that for tracking my own sales, but you can use it for anything really. But that's quite popular at the moment. So I think I've only got 5 left in the store, so you might have to be a bit quick about that one. And then we all love a good washi tape, don't we? This is my washi tape section. The number of hours it took me to take these photographs, I can't even describe. And do you know what? I'm still not happy with them. So if you do go to my store, you might see that's one of the areas that will change. But yeah, that's my washi tape section. This is a foiled washi tape, so my very first foiled washi, and it's got Geisha Girl on it, and really pretty. And again, you can just browse in the sections below and you might spot another design that you like. And finally, the little bits and bobs section. So on there you'll find some key rings, and I've got some bundles and the clear stamp set. I only have a few of these left, by the way, and they're not going to come back into store. So if you fancy having Henry, Beryl, Dickens, your own stamps that you can stamp and create your own either packaging decorations or make your own gift cards for people, you'll have to be quick for the clear stamp set. But yeah, and then I will be sneaking some bundles on from month to month. So this month's bundle is a Terry Turtle combo, and you get the pin, an exclusive Terry mini sticker sheet and some washi tape, along with a nice die cut sticker. So that's a little introduction to my store. If you get a chance, I'd love you to pop over and have a look, but let's now move on a little bit more. Okay lovelies, so now it's time for the unboxing, and we start first of all with a package from Swirly Nicks. I really like the stamp that was on the front, And compared to my last vlog, I've gotten a lot better at opening the envelopes, so a little win for me. But it came in a cardboard backed envelope, and really pretty unique packaging as well, with their logo stamp on the front. You may already know who Swirly Nix is, and I was particularly drawn to the colours that I saw, and you'll probably see in a minute what I mean. A simply gorgeous backing card, and it's like a textured art print with a personalised note, so thank you, Nix. I know that she actually is just about to swap her particular art print design for a new one, so if you like collecting little illustrations, it's a lovely idea. There's a freebie minis sticker set which comes with the order. Really pretty, lovely quality too, and they're kiss cut, so they're ready to peel and stick into your projects. And then these were the highlight. I really was attracted to the colouring on these, and I was so tempted to take them out, but because, as I mentioned, I'm going to be sharing them with my patrons, I made sure I didn't. So thank you to the lovely Nix at Swirly Nix. So up next we have a gorgeous package from Rebel Jones. You may know Becca at Rebel Jones, and it comes with a pretty freebie sticker, which is a Sakura image theme on this occasion, and a lovely thank you card. And again, I'm probably going to collect these particular ones. And then you get the Rebel Jones sticker to open with. And inside, I just couldn't wait to unbox this one. I was so good. I am sharing all of the items with my patrons for the month, and as much as I wanted to keep this gorgeous spiral frog themed notebook, it is going to one of my latest patrons. So Mari, close your ears if you're listening. This is heading your way, and thank you for joining recently, by the way, Mari. So opening up, it's in a biodegradable bag, which is lovely, and it comes with a gorgeous, really thick cover on both sides and lined paper as well, with a super little cute froggy theme. And these particular spiral notebooks have so many uses, and hopefully, Mari, you found a use for yours already. Up next we have a lovely package from Who Knew, and I really enjoyed unboxing and unwrapping a particularly unique white envelope. It's like a recycled cardstock type envelope. I was rubbish at opening up the envelope, but I got there in the end. I've also recently backed a Kickstarter from the lovely, it's either Chiara or Kiara, apologies if I've said it wrong, at Who Knew, and they do lovely gifts for pets. So inside, you're about to see an absolutely gorgeous little sloth pin. I'm not sure if it's available anymore, but I've put a link anyway to their website for you if you want to go and have a little look. But the sloth is simply gorgeous and lovely detail. And also, if you're a fan of backing cards, I quite liked the colour palette on the logo of this backing card. But yeah, do go and have a little look. I highly recommend visiting their store and their shop. Then next up we have a package by Hand Drawn by Mel. It comes with lovely packaging, the crinkle cut paper, and a really sweet thank you card. So thank you, Mel. And inside the box was some washi tape. This is a really pretty floral black and white printed washi tape. And again, I was very good and I wanted to keep it for myself, but I've shared it with my patrons, who I believe the patron I went to is currently already using it, so brilliant. And then it comes with a freebie sticker, and I don't know if you can read, but it says one in a melon, and then a wooden keyring, and the quality and the detail on this wooden keyring was absolutely outstanding. Really, really sweet, and I like the mushroom idea and the mushroom house. I don't know if you know, but I currently have a Kickstarter and mushroom happens to feature on it too. But thank you so much. That's from Hand Drawn by Mail. Okay, the next one are art and designed by KB, and I know it's Carrie Ann, so that's a lovely Carrie Ann. I'd actually already opened this and filmed it, and then I realised it hadn't recorded. So I redid it again, but that's why you didn't see the box it came in. But a lovely lovely thank you card, and again I'm really liking the idea of putting a print on the back. Super textured, gorgeous little froggy bookmark with nice rounded corners. You might have seen that I followed a theme when purchasing from this store. You Froggin got this. I thought that was really, really cute. And there was a freebie sticker that came with that one as well. And if you collect memo pads, this is an A6 size memo pad. And one of my patrons actually received all of these as a collection, and I know they really enjoyed it. But no, the packaging was really stood out for me as, again, the tissue wrap and then the branding. So now we have Lunar Pumpkin, and this is the last of the businesses that I've unboxed in this particular vlog. And it came in quite a large brown envelope, and you can't quite see in this image, but the contents inside, they were quite thick, and I was really surprised, particularly by the weight of it, but you'll see why in a minute. So there's a gorgeous little sticker, really sweet. And then I purchased a larger style. There's a thank you card as well. Thank you, Emily. And then what you have is a self-care pages. I thought this was really good, and it's on like recycled paper. I hadn't seen paper like this before, and it was really quite thick. I've been using them, even though it says affirmation, to-dos and appointments. I've actually swapped a couple of the headings if I needed to, and I've been using it every day actually. And this here, I was blown away completely. So this particular book was actually gifted to me, so thank you, Emily. I'd purchased the notepad, but I'd put in the comments that I really loved the style of all of her products, and she kindly gifted this to me, so thank you, Emily. And you'll see, again, I've been using it nearly every day now, and I really like the idea that you can break down and remember self-care, which is really important. So that comes to the end of this final selection of unboxing, and I thought we'd finish today with packing some of my own orders. Enjoy!
I try to figure out who I am. Not sure what I'm doing here, and the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you, there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you, I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me. The one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you, there was no one who understood. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I